This is the best sharing dessert when you're hosting.
Okay, so this is scoopable cookies. Instead of baking a whole batch of cookies, it's just one big one, and it's way easier to make in the Ninja Crispy Pro because you can cook and serve straight out of the dish, and you don't have to worry about them sticking together because that's what they're supposed to do. This is my favorite cookie recipe with a little more flour added for a bit more structure so they don't completely melt into one. I also added more chocolate on top just in case we didn't have enough for the occasion. Now you can either cook them straight away or stick them in the fridge until your guests arrive and you're ready to serve them. Bake at 160 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. The Ninja Crispy Pro is perfect for this because the dish just slots in, it's so easy, and there's no extra washing up. And she's just gorgeous. It's the ultimate movie night dessert to host a cozy night in with friends or family. Serve with ice cream and let everyone dig in. Enjoy!